This is Jordan Welch. At the age of 25, he's already been able to generate over $5 million across his dropshipping stores. In this video, I'm going to be going over everything in his dropshipping course so that you don't have to buy it. Jordan Welch was born to a single mother and never had much money growing up. They were forced to use food stamps to buy food, and this gave Jordan the determination he needed to start making money online. He decided to go with dropshipping because it was the most appealing option to him, and he was recently able to sell his dropshipping store for over $2 million. Because I'm going to be revealing his exact product that he was able to scale to over 7 figures in sales and recently sold for over $2 million. Jordan Welch's story really inspires me, and that's why I was drawn to his YouTube channel. He's been absolutely exploding on YouTube recently, and I'm really glad to see his recent success. I decided to go through his entire dropshipping course because I really wanted to learn the exact strategies he used to scale his store from 0 to 7 figures in under 2 years. Mania is basically a mix of PP ads and Shop Hunter combined into one. It shows you all the winning ads on Facebook, all the winning ads on TikTok, and you can even spy on ads that are shown on Pinterest. They also have a feature that lets you track the exact sales that a store has been generating so that you can validate whether a product is a winner or not. I've been able to find a ton of winning products using Mania, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking for a research tool. I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you'd like to try Mania. And with that being said, let's get back to Jordan Welch's advice about product research. Moving on to Module 3, Product Research. Throughout this module, Jordan explains the criteria of a winning product. I'm sure you can find a list online. Your product should solve a problem, have a wow factor, boost the confidence of a customer, fill a gap in the market, and also have a high perceived value. Jordan advises staying away from products that have low margin, that are copyrighted, and that are too saturated. Find winning products. Jordan suggests using paid ad spy tools, looking through the Facebook ad library, or looking on Amazon Movers and Shakers. He states that he found his all-time best winning product, the product that he just sold the store for $2 million, using a paid ad spy. If you guys are looking for the #1 ad spy right now, go down to the description below and check out Goat Spy. It's got all the features of PP ads combined with the features of Shop Hunter. Goat Spy is the greatest of all time, and I would highly recommend it for any of you guys to try. They got a free trial, so go down below and check it out. Now, moving on to Module 4, Maximizing Profits. The #1 thing that Jordan recommends to increase the profits of your store is to include pre- and post-purchase upsells. Example of an upsell could be essential oils that you sell alongside your diffuser. Another way to increase average order value is to add quantity breaks. A lot of dropshipping stores do this, and it's a great way to encourage customers to buy more than one item. Another way to boost your orders is to go hard on email marketing. Email marketing is absolutely cracked. You can increase your store conversion rate by an entire % if you just get good at email marketing. Finally, Jordan recommends using Google Page Speed Insights to track the speed of your store. If you have a slow store, customers are going to click off your store before it even loads, which means you just wasted money on their click and you just wasted a bunch of money on ads because the customer didn't have the patience to wait for your slow store to load. A great way to speed up your store is to optimize your images, optimize your GIFs, and if that doesn't work, go on Fiverr and pay someone. It's about $50. They will get your store speed up to 93. Now, Module 5, Setting Up Your Ads. Throughout this module, Jordan gives a quick rundown about how to set up your Facebook ads. He goes over terms like CPC, cost per click, CPM, cost per 1,000 views, CPA, cost per acquisition, and ROAS, return on ad spend. He also goes over Facebook's ad policy to make sure that you don't get banned, and also goes over the components of a winning creative. Jordan states that a winning Facebook creative should be high quality, include attention-grabbing visuals, a visually appealing thumbnail, and also captions that explain the purpose of the product. He also states that it's really important to have a compelling offer such as buy one, get one free, or buy now 50% off, because this will really encourage the customers to buy from your store. Throughout the rest of this module, Jordan goes through and makes his own creatives for the product he found earlier, but I won't be able to show you guys that because it is a part of his course. Moving on to Module 6, Email Marketing. Throughout this module, Jordan explains that email marketing can literally make or break your store. He suggests starting your email list by offering a 10% off discount when customers go to your store. Give them 10% off if they enter their email, and this way you can send them unlimited emails in the future. After a while, when you've built up your email list, you can send out mass emails to your customers, notifying them when you're having a brand new sale on your website or whenever you release a new product. Additionally, abandoned cart emails can be a great way to recover sales if a customer forgets about their cart or gets busy when they're on your website or leaves your website for any reason. Finally, Jordan states that automated abandoned cart emails can be a great way to recover checkouts if a customer clicked off your website by accident. Now for Module 7, Daily Business Operations. As for your daily operations, the best place to hire a virtual virtual assistant would be onlinejobs.ph. You can hire people on there to answer your support emails and support requests for as low as $5 per hour. Jordan also recommends setting up an LLC as soon as your store starts to scale. This allows you to get some tax benefits, and it just increases the trustworthiness of your entire business. Finally, Jordan recommends using a private supplier to scale your store. Private suppliers can get your product from the warehouse to the customer in as little as 5 or 7 days. If you guys are looking for a trustworthy private supplier, go down to the description below and join my Discord, the Creator Academy. We've got 5 private suppliers in there who have all fulfilled over $5 million in dropshipping orders. And my personal supplier's name is David. He's fulfilled over $30 million of e-commerce orders, and they're absolutely free to use. Just go down to the description, join the Discord, and the suppliers are in there. Finally, Module 8, building a brand. Jordan recommends in the final stages of your dropshipping business to actually convert it from a dropshipping store to a private labeled store. This is when you order your product in bulk with your logo on it and also get custom packaging. This really makes your business legit, and it's the final stage of the dropshipping process. Once you order your product in bulk, you can start offering 2-day shipping and charging extra for it, which is an easy way to boost your average order value. Finally, Jordan recommends setting up an entire team to automate the product research, store creation, ad creation, and order fulfillment process. This allows your dropshipping business to operate completely on autopilot, and it allows you to free up your time so that you can work on other projects in the future. Now for Jordan Welch's all-time winning product. This is the exact product that he scaled to a few $1,000,000 in sales and recently just sold his entire business for over $2 million. This obviously is not his website because I don't know what his exact store was, but he did reveal that this was the product that made him his first $1 million. As you can see, it's a Bluetooth headband that helps you sleep, but also plays music in your ears if you want to try to fall asleep easier. He was selling this product using Facebook ads, and he was able to generate a ton of money doing it. As you guys can see, they've got some good reviews here. These are probably imported and all that, but that is Jordan Welch's all-time best winning product. That's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you're interested, check out the review I did of Bia Hezda's course. As always, subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.